Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing smacker facts with my best friend. Things get heated. Let's get into it.
Points I ever had in the game. 23. 42. When the fuck did you have 42? What's the most I ever had in the game? 50. 63. Motherfucker.
I mean, heated is right. My goodness. Y'all smacking about basketball points? Oh my gosh. I'm glad they love each other because I would be very concerned. Oh my gosh. Whew, let's get into it.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clarencenyc. Welcome back to the main channel, man. I told you the vibe. I told you what the vibe was for this one. You know what I'm saying? You already know it's holidays. We uploading. You know what I'm saying? My mans. I got my mans right here. MOD's in the building. You know what I'm saying? Late night, too. We working. Like, we back in the basement. You know what I'm saying? But the basement just look way crazier now. But today, as you can already see from the title, we about to do slap or facts. You know what I'm saying? This is about to be, it's about to be funny. And little do you know, go to his channel. You know what I'm saying? We just did a truth or drink. That's why I'm stuttering and shit. Like we're a little lit. We're a little lit. So this should be very interesting. Before we get into this video, make sure you smash that like button, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe, my boy. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you subscribe. I love y'all. Let's fucking do it. You gonna answer first?
Okay, we love y'all too. And y'all like, comment, subscribe to us as well, okay? And thank y'all for being here with us. And we appreciate y'all. Every like, every comment. We love y'all dearly. And so, especially MH, that's my girl right there. And thank y'all all for commenting, for requesting. We really appreciate y'all. Much love.
You gonna go first or you gonna rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, bro. Hold on. Hold on. Oh man.
Hey, Mike.
Oh man. I never really liked these videos. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of anxiety goes into the start of this. My Balenci's. Hold on. Oh yeah. Well, let me take off the shadows. Let me take the shadows off. Let me take the.
All right, they gotta tell you what they got on. I see y'all. Now, also, just FYI, not doing one of these. I'm so very sorry. So, don't ask for one of those.
Shadows off. I did this with Queen, and this shit is real. Matter of fact, let me white tee. This shit is real messy, man. Let me white tee it. Big, I might even have to take that. It's about to be in my hair. It's like nothing I can do about that, right? Yeah, nothing I got to do right. My shit about to be all in the do-rag. Let me try to tuck it. Let me try to tuck the hair. Now I'm messing my brim. The hair's a little messy. Fuck it. I'm gonna take it. Do it. Alright. One game. Rock. You cheated last time. You cheated. How are we doing it? Rock, paper, scissors says shoot.
Apparently in New York. I don't know, y'all. If y'all from New York, let me know. But at least Claire is very serious about this rock, paper, scissors and how it's done properly. Have you noticed that?
So that's where I fucked up. I said shoot. Okay. Said shoot. Rock, paper, scissors said shoot. Rock, paper, scissors said shoot. Damn, this nigga won twice. He won on my damn view too. Alright, let's do it. What we doing? Oh shit.
Poor Mike. They look like they heavy-handed. That's gonna hurt. Why does it say shoot? Y'all comment if y'all know.
Don't be too petty, bro. No, just don't be too petty. Like I know a lot about you. Like don't choose something like don't be petty.
See, that's how things got heated. You know, when you gotta give your bestie like warning, like, hey, I know all your business, you know all my business. So let's not go there. We like to be friends after this. Y'all pray for these brothers.
I really got anxiety right now. Niggas is about to start slapping me and shit. Alright, let's just start off. Let's start off regular. It's my dad's birthday. That's petty.
How you supposed to know your dad's birthday? I mean, did he ever buy your dad a gift for his birthday? I mean, I don't know my friends' birthdays, they dead parent birthdays. Like, come on, man. Claire is starting already.
Hey!
Petty fam. I told y'all Claire is petty fam.
Alright, bro, let's start it. That's petty. I want to start off petty. Come on. If that's where we're going, bro, I'm not, bro. I'm not trying to go petty, bro. I know that, bro. My dad's birthday is right here.
You're supposed to see it in the midst of your tats and know that's your dad's birthday and not your mom's or somebody. A grandma, your sister Lee or somebody. You know? Petty.
I thought you knew that. Nigga wanted to slap me first question. Nah, bro, my dad's birthday is right here, bro. I told you.
Exactly. Have y'all ever seen it? Now, we ain't seen Claire several times and all his tats and all that good stuff. And Queen had showed us some and explained some. They had that whole segment, y'all, back in the day. You remember? I don't remember that either.
He knows that. Listen, I was thought I'm not too petty. Oh, shit. Oh. I got powder in my mouth. Alright. Who is my favorite NBA player of all time? Allen Iverson. I thought you was gonna say LeBron. I thought you were gonna say my second favorite, but okay. Alright. Nigga said, What's my favorite food?
Why he getting the powder ready? Okay, Claire, you just invite my over because you wanted to slap him? You know what I'm saying? Like Ma gave you a question that you could find out, right? And then it's just like, I just changed it in my head and here goes some powder. Y'all think that? I don't know, maybe he just being prepared. I hope not. Don't be mean to Mike.
There's only one thing you know how to cook. Burgers, tacos. You should have kept the Spanish.
Ow! That hurt. That second one was a lot harder. Oh my. He didn't come over for this.
What's my favorite cereal? Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's not even a good one. Here's cheating. Bro, Cinnamon Toast Crunch is dumb good. No, I like peanut Cheerios. It's the only cereal I eat. Cereals. I'm really not. Yo, the beard is really like an extra sponge on the face. Like it's like you got extra protection. You got extra protection. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. I see where this is going. What lotion do I use?
How is he supposed to know what lotion you use, Claire? Claire, seriously, lotion you use? The only person that would know that would be Queen. Poor Mike. Claire is being petty.
Jergens, Vaseline.
You gonna slap the man out of the chair about Jergens? I mean, you used Jergens before. You just being very mean. I hope mine get some more, something to drink or something. Like, he gonna need like aspirin after this. Poor thing. Mine, just throw the white flag. Tell me you quit.
Yo, bro! This is the way you're doing it! Yo, nigga, it's slapping me instantly! Okay. If you get it wrong, it's a slap. Okay.
Uh-oh, it's getting heated. See, it was kind of lit giggles at first and laughter. And now it's like, I think he actually get mad because bro been on the floor twice. It's like a UFC fight or something. Like, I mean, how many times can you get slapped down on the ground? He might as well put a mat down. He might get a pillow or something. He gonna stay down there all day, no mind.
What middle school did I go to? Ah, shit. Bro, that shit is right down the line from Mount St. Michael, bro. Shit, sing something. St. Andrews. Too long. It's not St. Andrews.
He all in his ear. Oh my gosh, he got powder in his ear. Ouch. He got him good that time.
St. Francis, wrong scene. Alright, now we're getting petty. What middle school did I go to? Are you allowed to ask me the same question? I don't know right now. What middle school did I go to? It was in your hood. You used to have an afro. You had an afro. You got to a fight on the first day. P.S. I.S. No, you made up. P.S. is I.S. 174. I wouldn't know that anyway. Okay. Alright. Say that. Okay. Alright. Where did I live before I moved to Mount Vernon? Much right. Bro, where the fuck did you live, bro? That's what I'm about, bro. 165th and Grand Concourse. This nigga said Montserrat. I never Where did you live on 165th, bro? Till I was 8 years old. Bro, there's mad powder in my ear, bro. I can't hear it. Bro, I didn't think I feel. You didn't get the same thing for tacos. Yo. This is crazy. Yo, why are you already crying? How do you know I'm gonna get it wrong? What's my mom's name?
See, that's what I was talking about. He being petty. I think it's getting heated already, y'all. It's the laughter is diminishing, and then it's like, okay, I'm serious now. Can y'all at least slap the other side? That one side hurt.
And then, you talking about my last name or first? Last maiden name. I know. So you want first and last? Last name. I know it's something Spanish. Take a guess. Rodriguez. Para? Yes. What's my mom's name? Since you wanna be all technical. You have you're getting petty. Your body getting tight.
You have no clue. You have no clue.
He said, "You about to get me tight." How you gonna get tight when you just asking the same exact question? And you the one started with the repeating questions. Claire, y'all are friends. Don't let this mess y'all up.
What's your munch right now?
You have no clue.
Fat.
Yeah. Chapman. Chapman. I knew that. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No, I know that. No,
Why that sound so familiar?
I don't know, but you didn't get it. So either way, let's turn up. You want to just be slapping people? This kid just slapped me. Let's do it. This is early, get a petty.
What time was I born?
Yo, 207.
Like 4 minutes.
You know, I'm not gonna be petty. I'm not gonna be petty because you're gonna know the answer. I think they're gonna find this funny. What's my favorite position in the bedroom?
Missionary.
Questions. Y'all be telling each other all the dirt. See, men be talking, y'all. You know, men be like, "Why you tell her all my business?" But apparently they be talking too. Watch out, sisters. That friend know everything about you.
I know that answer. My son's a missionary monster. My son's a missionary monster. Like,
you really, I lowered the pettiness. I lowered the pettiness. I lowered the pettiness.
Yeah, I feel like you were being petty from the last game. Just a little bit.
But you started that. What time was I born is crazy. Like, can you guys admit that's crazy?
That was crazy.
That's like something only your mom would know.
That was crazy.
Only your mom, maybe Lee knows that. Like, that's with you. Does Queen even know what time you were born?
No.
It's crazy. If you don't even know,
yeah,
nigga said it was like 4 in the morning.
Yeah, I already know.
He's crazy. Nigga answer. Nigga said it was like 4 in the morning.
You want to smack? You want to smack that?
Nah, it's alright, bro. It's alright. I'll get mine. I ain't worried about getting mine. Yo.
How much do I weigh?
Right now? That's tough.
You should know that now. It's not that it don't be too far. I'm not gonna be petty on like the exact number.
I know at your heaviest, you were like 187. I know that. So right now, you're slim. You're slimmer than that. You're slimmer than that. Put you around 165.
That's really far. I gave you opportunity.
What do you mean?
I'm like 178 right now.
I thought you were at your heaviest. At your heaviest, what were you? 200?
No, I was like 190. I feel like I lowered the pettiness. I lowered the pettiness.
I mean, he actually said you was skinnier, right? Uh-oh. Well, you gotta start playing music. You know it's about to go left, y'all. Y'all pray for these brothers.
Oh, you would.
Right.
95 pounds of soaking wet? I don't know.
What is my favorite
Sorry, I'm being petty.
sneaker that I own right now?
Lightning Force.
Oh.
The one he just had on.
Yo, that was a little hard. No. That was, yeah, you get a little petty because you got a free one.
No, I didn't. That's not really petty.
Now you make me want to turn up.
Bro, you said Lightning Force. I just got those.
Bro, you had them on early already.
Okay, but like I just got those. How they're my favorite. Like I wouldn't even given you low top black and white numbers. I wouldn't give you that. I would have taken that.
What's my favorite clothing brand right now?
shit. Right now, this might be different than last year. Damn. I think it's either Prada or Louis Vuitton. Last year it was Prada. You loved Prada last year. But are you over Prada? Like, you hear sometime, like, you move on quick. Like, are you done with the Prada? Man, Legend is down here. And he closed the door and he's pulling up. This kid is smart, bro. And he pulling up. So I won't. What's up, Ledge? Man.
Hey, Legend. Aww. He's like, what is going on down here? He said, I'm going to put a little cuteness in the situation, try to calm y'all down. He said, no, Daddy, don't be smacking people. He said, where my baby powder go? He said, give me that back.
Hey! He's like, yo, why you telling him? What's up, Ledge?
Legend, what you doing, Dada? It's powder. Look. Powder.
Okay. You said, what's your favorite brand? I'm just gonna say, for the sake of the year change, Louis Vuitton. That was a good guess.
Good job, Mike. I noticed that that's what Queen got him for his birthday.
Come on, Jay, you can't just get slapped, nigga. I'm not just getting slapped though.
Is that his birthday? Well, I know that I guess you did get him some last time. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I'm not just getting slapped over here. We can put my hands up right here. Yo, Legend is really a grown man. Yo, Legend. Legend. Boom. Legend, boom. You know you want to do.
See, it's so hard to film with kids. They come and go where they want to go. He like, what's Daddy up to? Let me go down there. He said, I think I hear them downstairs in the basement. He said, what's up? So I come where I want to go.
Be careful. You know you want to do it. Boom! You know you want to do it.
Mine is going to be such a good dad. He loves kids and kids love him.
You know you want to do it. Boom! Legend, come on. Come in. Come. I can't touch this thing. Come on. This kid is getting saved. CJ, what's good, my boy? This is crazy, right? It's crazy to see me like this, CJ. I know it's crazy to see me like this. Is it still rolling? Yes, it is. Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, it is.
Is it?
How long is it? 16 minutes.
Why you got a quarter it? Because I just know what the situation is between us, and I feel like I haven't hit you on this side, so I think it's way better for me to get left on it. You know what I'm saying?
Control the left.
Huh?
Control the left.
I have much control of both my hands. Like, you acting like it's gonna be a problem if you get slapped with the left. Like, that's it. Just saying. What is my favorite brand? That's a good question for that. I know there's an obvious answer, but this might be wrong. Essential. Wrong. Supreme. Bro, you had more essentials than you have. Bro. How many hats do I have? You don't even know. 15.
Thank you, Mike. He don't know either.
Way more than that. I know it's way more than that. This kid is petty, bro. Nigga said Supreme. Bro, you know I love Supreme. I haven't been able to get my hands on it. That's what I said. That's the confusing part, Dad. Bro.
I mean, everybody, you know, he may be saving up for his favorite Supreme thing. Maybe you should get it for his birthday, Claire. Maybe you should give him some of yours or something. You know, make sure you get bruh a Supreme thing. He like him now. Mm-hmm. Petty. Just because you don't have it don't mean it's not your favorite.
Your favorite brand was Prada before. All of a sudden, now it's Louis Vuitton. Do you just be wearing Louis Vuitton every day?
No, but I have a lot of it.
Do I not have a lot of Supreme?
I feel like Supreme was back in the basement.
I still love it. I never let it go. Still love it. I never let it go. Ah, this kid is crazy. Alright. That was crazy. How much is my rent?
I think it just went up. 1300.
19.
Dang! Y'all is paying some premium rent in Atlanta, man. Sheesh. He said he just went up. That's quite a hike. Oh my. They gotta make these videos.
How much is my monthly bills?
10 minutes.
14. You forgot about the Jeep, nigga.
He said you forgot about the Jeep. Oh gosh. How short is my nail in my left toe? I mean, what questions are they not gonna ask?
What's in the will? Are they incorporated in the will? Are they incorporated in the will? Niggas getting petty. Okay. You want to get petty? We can get petty then. What size sneaker do I wear? 9. You're off a half a size.
What's my favorite sneaker right now?
Your favorite sneaker?
What's my favorite sneaker?
Right now? Right now.
Answer it.
Right now.
Right now.
Like I name a specific number or like
No, right now. Just what's my favorite shoe right now?
that you enjoy wearing?
Fours.
You don't get well with this.
I know. That's why I asked. It's my favorite shoe.
You don't get well with this. I got a good one for you. It's my little brother's birthday. You should know this because he's on the same month as yours. We can make it simple. Like I'm giving you clothes. When's my little brother's birthday?
He's a Sagittarius.
Yes, he is. Just like you.
19.
7. I was right there, bro. I knew it was fucking one of those, bro. Damn. 70. It's turning into a war zone.
What was the name of my first dog?
Oh my god. You had a dog? I thought you only had a cat.
First dog.
You had a dog?
Yeah.
Skipper?
Rascal. Motherfucker.
You getting me tight. You're getting me.
Why he get him tight? You just smacked the heck out of him. His first dog. They weren't even friends when he had the dog. Y'all. You getting me tight. I think you tight already, sir. I believe that you are tight.
Bro, look at my fucking. Bro, you think you're worse than me? Yo, bro.
The petty smackometer says that mine has definitely got smacked more. Y'all agree? Comment below.
Look at both sides of my neck. Your beard is at least protecting you. It's falling out your beard. Bro, look at me. I'm like I got caught in a blizzard.
It's because you're pussy.
Now we're reverting the name calling. Is that?
Oh my gosh, sirs, misters, dudes. No, don't be calling names. Don't be mean.
Be a fucking pussy. Yo, this is crazy. What's his name? You had a dog? You're lying about the dog. How Jack you're lying about the dog?
His name was Rascal.
I
I had to get rid of him because he attacked me. I'm not lying.
Rascal attacked you? And that's why they cats only at his mom's house. Oh my gosh. Poor thing. I wonder if he's afraid of dogs now. Do y'all remember? I think I might have saw something about that in one of those videos back in the day. That's terrible. Bad Rascal.
Bro, you don't look like me right now.
Bro, it's in my ear. I can't hear out this ear, bro.
Bro,
It feels like I'm underwater.
bro, I look like I did the Charlemagne God and I'm getting light skin or something, bro. Yo, alright. You want me to go first dog, alright? What year did I drop out of college?
In 2015? You dropped out the same year I did.
Saved. That's saved right there. I thought you were just missing. I saved. That's what I saved. I put my power to rest.
How many times have I been arrested?
I don't think you've been arrested. That's what I'm saying. I'm the one who went to Holden.
And mine's been arrested once. Uh-huh.
I always ran.
I really couldn't run. I'm not gonna lie. It was a situation where I couldn't really make a run for it. Alright. I'm glad we both got a break in the middle of the intense battle that we're in right now. Alright. Name two of my childhood friends from my block.
Mark. You said childhood friends?
Yeah, from my block.
Mark and Biggs.
Biggs lived around the corner. You should have just said Mark twice.
Bro, Biggs lives around the corner. Now you're being fucking bro.
I'm not. Bro, I said on my block. His house is not on my block. His house is around the corner of the block. That's not my block. That's my hood.
Bro, Banco lives on my block. I wouldn't consider her living on my block.
Did she live on?
No, but she lives on my block.
No, it's not the same thing. I said on my block. Biggs did not live on. I'm not even gonna say my block because my mom still lives there, but you know what I mean. I'm not gonna. Yeah. No.
What's my first jersey number in basketball?
First ever?
First ever.
Really, a favorite is freaking hot. First ever?
Three, I'm closer to one.
What's the most points I ever had in the game? 23. 42.
When the fuck did you have 42? What's the most I ever had in the game?
50?
63. Motherfucker. 63. 42. When the fuck did you have 42?
Why can't he have 42? And you had 63. He could play. We've seen my play. I mean, they taking it personal now. Name calling, basketball points. No.
Where? Middle school?
Multiple times. I had 42 in college and intramurals.
You talking about fucking middle school, man?
And I had 42. My career high in middle school was 36. I had 42. And I won on damn near 5 in college. And I won at the free throw line. And I hit like 9 threes. I'm a Best game here. Niggas 23. I look like a nigga that just scores 23. Like, nigga, I did bucks. Like, what's up with you, 23?
Nigga, you said my most was what? 40 something.
Bro, I said 50. That was respectable.
I guess.
50 is respectable. 50 is respectable.
In a hood tournament.
Okay, 50 is respectable. I put respect on your game. You 23? What do you think about me?
I was thinking about the college record.
I say that.
I'm thinking about older mom. I'm not thinking about middle school fucking mom.
I had 42 in college.
Alright, bro.
Under the whistle.
But yeah, bro, I'm thinking you never played fucking ball in college. So that's what I'm thinking.
What do you think about it? That's your fault.
Alright, whatever.
Why do I look like this? This is so crazy.
How many minutes, man?
How many minutes is that?
It says 27. We got this.
I'm about to pop on this. It's like you're bugging out.
No, you're bugging.
Nah, you're bugging. The questions you're asking me is ridiculous. Alright.
What was I lost my virginity? 15.
16.
How did I lose my virginity?
In the movie theater.
I skipped school.
You were in the movie theater?
No, I didn't. I was in my crib when my mom wasn't home. You know it. From the ugly joint on Facebook. You're getting big dumb tight, bro.
The ugly joint on Facebook? Don't y'all remember he had a story about this? A story time, I think. Way back in the day. Oh, Lord. Poor guys. Y'all calm down. Go to sleep. Where the kids at? We need CJ and Legend to come back and give some love.
Yo, I thought you went to the movie theaters
No.
and snuck and got cheeks.
No.
I thought that's what you did, bro. Okay. Say that.
Yeah.
No, we're not that in the hair. I don't think it's supposed to just be like that. You slap me last. That's what we can slap all night if that's the case. You just gonna slap me and say we gonna end this hair.
We got this here.
No. Good.
See, this is when it get heated. Claire was trying to stop it because he know he feeling some kind of way. Mine don't want to be the last one slapped. And so it's just gonna keep going. No.
How many girls at Rock Playland did I hit?
None.
One.
I didn't know you was getting cheeks at that time.
Yeah.
I didn't know, my fault.
Definitely hit one of the Rock Playland joints like that.
How many joints did I hit that work with?
You missed.
Yes, I did. How many? One. Big booty joint.
What time did I get up this morning?
Are you serious?
Yeah. It's a question. What you gonna do about it?
7.
7:30.
Bro.
Yo, bro, what you?
They being petty now. 7:30, 7:05, 7:01 is when I get up.
Wait, you get 7:30?
Yeah, bro. What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing?
7:30?
Yeah, bro.
I said 7. I said,
What are you doing, bro? Yo, what the fuck?
I said 7, nigga. 7 should be fucking good.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck is wrong?
Bro, the videos, bro. We ending the video, bro. We're ending the video, bro, because I said,
This nigga's crazy. The fuck is wrong with you, bro?
you said, bro, I should have got that right. Nigga said 7:30. He's being petty, bro. I'm out this, bro. that video right now. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. I see y'all next video, bro. This nigga, bro.
Square up. Square up.
Fuck out of here.
Square up. I can't even touch the camera. What's it about? Square up.
Be sick, but now I'm okay. Look at my wrist, pull up like oh.
No. Poor thing. They fighting for real. He said square up. No. They were laughing at first and now they fighting. All right, Petty Fan. Well, that was interesting. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Hope they still best friends. I know they are. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No Squad.